this is the program of bank, and it says that how the bank it works. So let's see by using the output. So I will write as Python bank.py. Okay, it is saying welcome to Atharva's Keep Safe Bank. That bank is asking to the user if he or she wanted to log in this bank or to create a new account. I haven't created any account here, so I will just click to number 2 as create a new account. So it is saying enter your name. I will just go through my name. Phone number maybe 12345678990. It is saying enter your password. I will go through ABCDE. It is saying account has successfully created and congratulations. And you can see here that the text means the text is created, and it is saying a name as Atharva, phone number as it is, password, and this is the amount I have as 100 rupees. I will just go through a new account. So create a new account. Name as Atharva U. Phone number as 12345678991 as different phone number, and the password may be ABCDEF. It says the account created successfully, and you can see here also created successfully, and in this account I have 100 rupees. Now I will just log in this account as number 1, enter name as Atharva, phone number 12345678990, password ABCDE. You can see Atharva logged in, and I will just go through one by one. I will just add amount in my account. The balance I wanted 50 rupees. I want to add amount in my account. Amount has added successfully, and you can see here also 150 rupees means 50 rupees is added. I will just go through back menu. Now I will check my balance, that how many money I have. So you can see 150 rupees it is saying. Now I will transfer amount in the second account here. So what I will do as number 3, enter amount. I wanted to add through 200 amount. It is saying not enough balance. Now because I have 150 rupees and I wanted to add 200 rupees. Now I will give 100 rupees. You can see it is not saying now not enough balance. I will give as Atharva U, person phone number 123456789. It is saying amount transferred successfully, balance left 50. You can see here also there past there was 100 rupees and now there is 200 rupees. Now I will just edit my profile. Okay, if I wanted I will just do the password change. New password ABCDFG. You can see new password set up successfully. Now I will just go through logout. So you can see it is